Hello guys, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an account on the new TenTen app. So for this we wanna go to the App Store. We want to search for the TenTen app. That's it. Download. You open it. Let's go. Here you can choose the way you want to sign in to the app after downloading it. So the first option is with the Apple ID, the iCloud, or you can sign in with a Google account or with your TikTok account or just with email or a phone number. So in this option I choose for the first, like sign in with my Apple ID, continue with the passcode, allow notifications, that's an option. So you can see all the notifications of the TenTen app, continue, allow of course the mic because it's a walkie-talkie app, focus, okay. So this is the home screen, this is your personal PIN, settings. So that's it guys. If you have any further questions about the TenTen app, please let me know down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.